Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand. So in this video tutorial, we are going to see a famous interview questions on Python. Let's say interview may give you a list of questions that you can see in the screen, and he may ask you, let's say students are giving an exam and they are sitting adjacent to each other, and the questions what they receive after logging, right? So it should be in a random order. Let's say student 1 is appearing for a exam, so he should get the questions in some different order, and question two, student 2 will log in, so he will see the question in a different order. Like we can see randomizing the list of questions. How we can do that? Let's try to solve this. So here we will be using a random lib module from Python, and we will be using shuffle functions there. So I'll just say from random I am importing a shuffle here. Now one thing to note, whenever we are using a shuffle and we are doing certain operations on list, it will modify the list. So in order you want the original list order to be preserved, you have a backup of list first, then you apply this operation shuffle. Now next thing, since we have shuffled the list, we will be printing the list of questions here. So I will using a for loop here. I would say I for like my indexing, and will say question, and we will be using an enumerator here. So enumerator for like and we are passing a questions, so that will be just iterating it the questions and also getting the list of index from the list itself. So as we can see, we have iterated the for loop. We defined two variable. One is I, which is nothing but for index, and second we are getting a questions from the list, and we are using enumerator just to iterate this list or go through the list, and it will return both the questions as well as it will give you the order itself. So we will be printing questions like index and their questions. So as we discussed earlier, right, every login of the students will give us the different order. So here we will assume that every execution will be a different logic login here. So let me just execute the first. So here we can see the first question is, what is the dependency injection? Now let me execute again. So we will see a different list here. So that we can see the first question will be, what are the sold principle in the software design? So I hope guys you have understood how the real-time problem can be solved using the Python. So these are the logic and how this is how we are randomizing the questions. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Happy learning.